This segment is brought to you by Debt Aid Consulting. Itama po natin.
Mang Ben, when I left the Philippines 10 years ago, I left a substantial debt from credit cards. One day, I received a call from a debt collector regarding this debt. Can they legally come after me?
This is the answer to the quote, "You can run, but you cannot hide." A client came to see me regarding a debt he left in Manila. He was a businessman who was doing well, but when the economy collapsed, so did his business. When this happened, clients who owed him could not pay, and in turn, he could not pay his debts. A collection company here in Canada was contacted by the creditor from Manila to collect and found him. Generally, in most provinces, a creditor may file suit only up to 2 years from the time of default or non-payment. If they wait longer, they are barred from filing a lawsuit. Although there are no time limits as to when a creditor must stop asking you to pay, the debt in default may be left on your credit report up to 7 years. Also, as long as you do not pay, the creditor may choose not to do business with you. With regards to credit history reporting, the debt can be reported unpaid depending on which province you're in is between 6 to 10 years. If there is a judgment, the creditor can try to collect for 10 years and renew it when that has lapsed. So if you would like to be rid of the debt once and for all, please contact me and we can settle it substantially lower. Ben Lu at your service. I have 30 years of real financial experience, so if you would like sound financial advice, call me at Debt Aid Consulting. Say no to call centers, and we are incorporated in Canada and the US. Tawag na po 1-888-341-5234 at tutulungan po namin kayo. Itama po natin ang mali.
This segment was brought to you by Debt Aid Consulting. Itama po natin.